Hello everyone, today we will introduce the Texture Manager function under the Road Scene module. This function is used for texture management of the automatic modeling function. Click the Texture Manager button to open the dialog box. The file refers to the current texture management file in .xml format, which can be imported and exported. Note, this file can only be automatically imported or exported. Manual changes are not allowed as they may corrupt the file, leading to irreversible errors. Terrain texture refers to the textures that create the terrain for road areas, closed flower beds, solid isolation zones, and roadside lines. The textures on this page are large, repeatable textures. Pure color texture refers to the textures for ground markings like arrows and lane lines, which utilize solid color schemes, such as white and yellow. Ground facility texture refers to the textures used for ground facilities like manhole covers and drainage grates. You can also click the Add button under the corresponding texture settings to add a complete record containing M code, S code, and texture. Clicking the Delete button allows you to remove any previously added record. M code and S code are codes used to identify texture information. M code is the main code, primarily used for class identification, such as road surfaces. S code is the secondary code, mainly used for subclass identification under a major category, such as asphalt roads under road surfaces. Double-clicking the records under the M code and S code fields will open a Change Code dialog box. If the new combination of M code and S code has already been used, a red message, "Code already exists," will appear in the dialog box. Double-clicking the record under the Texture field will open a dialog for adding or changing textures. After confirming the texture image to be replaced, double-click the left mouse button, then click the Refresh button to successfully change it. Click Add to select a texture image or pull up the color palette to add a new texture. Note, changes made to M code and S code in the attribute table require reusing the Road Auto Modeling function to update. If only the corresponding texture is changed without altering M code or S code, you can directly use the Refresh button in the Texture Manager dialog to achieve the update. That concludes the introduction to the Texture Manager function. Thank you for watching.